up guys, welcome to a new video. This is Simple Leopard and today I am going to be showing you my 2023 ka gaming setup. So this is the setup from where I stream, from where I record, I play, I upload videos, I upload my shots and everything. So it's like a very small but very hardcore setup. So without wasting any time, let me show the setup to you.
Alright, so this is where all of the magic happens. It's a very small, petite setup and in one glance you can see everything. So I'll take you guys closer and then tell you. To start with the screen, this is a LG 27-inch ultra high definition 4K monitor which can be bought on Amazon for 50,000. On the side we have the Xbox Series S and on its side is the PS5 digital edition. Yes, I went for the digital edition because I keep on moving from one place to another and I do not carry discs with me anymore. I have gone digital. Usi ke niche I have a very nice watch, digital watch which I got from Miniso. On the side, just for some energy and vibes, I have a Goku statue or figurine, whatever you want to call it. On the side, I always make sure that I'm well hydrated because I'm in front of the screen like 24/7. So yeah, I have my Starbucks tumbler here, which is very nice. इसी के साथ, I remember buying this from Delhi. It's a very nice table mat. However, I could have used a longer one, but it's fine. This did the job. Now, this table I bought in a haste because as I shifted, I needed a table quick so that I can do everything, edit videos, play games and whatnot. So I remember buying this, which is nice as it has place to keep my feet on. It has a keyboard thing, whatever you want to call it. And now if you look behind, I have a whole situation going on. So this place where I'm living at right now is it has a lot of noise and it can be disturbing at times, especially when I'm sleeping. So I cover it with a kambal first of all, and then I put the actual curtains. Now on the mirror, as you can see, I don't have like a proper place to keep my headphones, right? So here I have my Alienware, the wired earphones, which I just put on the window, as you can see. Now, on top of the screen, I have a PS5 camera, which I have not used as much as I would have liked to. So moving on to the first cupboard of this table, I have my Xbox Series S controller, I have my specs ka cover, some cleaning gel for that. I have my go-to basic iPhone earphones which I use for everything. These are very comfortable, even better than those Alienware. Trust me. Next up, I have my PS5 controller in here as well. Uske baad I have the connector for these Alienware headset. Moving on, I have my Poco X3 Pro which I bought when I used to do a lot of PUBG streams, and I'll be using this phone again because this is a beast. Go watch the unboxing video for this if you haven't. The link will be at the top of the description. Next up is a thing which I really want to use a lot but I am unable to. This is my Elgato. Yeah, currently I have it wrapped up in this and I take it out and then put it back in after I'm done using it. So this is what is everything in the first cupboard. Now in the second cupboard is where the actual gabagoo is. So here you can see like two laptops. This is my MacBook and this is my MSI gaming laptop. Along with this, I have the console covers for my console. So this is the Xbox Series S cover. I'll show it to you and put it on. So this is how the console is without the cover, and it can attract dust because I am in India and it tends to be a dusty place. So for example, if I won't be at home, what I'll do is I'll put this cover on top and keep it safe and covered, yeah. And on the back, I can still keep my wires connected. That is the nice thing. So I put this on and then just slide it back in its place. Done. And taking it off is very easy as well because when I have to take it off, I just literally slide it off. So you guys just saw the whole setup, right? But then what are these wires in the back you see? And like how is everything here actually getting electricity? So for that I have to thank my mom because of this. This is the actual masterpiece. This is the actual gabagoo. My mom managed to tie this extension cord the window. I have no idea. It's been a whole year and it's still like just stuck there. And I have a whole jar of wires. And then in the back, I have my Wi-Fi router as well. Yeah. So this is like a very congested, very petite, very small, very portable setup, I would say. But this is where the magic happens.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and this was my 2023 gaming setup. I am going to be having a 2024 gaming setup and I'm really excited to show you that, but I cannot right now, but soon in few months I will be sharing that with you guys as well. Well, if you did enjoy this, do not forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. I shall be seeing you in the next video. Till then, bye!